Metal, not plastic, metal. Oh. Right. Nice. Okay. Right. Looks really premium. Black stitching, plastic. Oh yeah. So we got, you know, a bit of small well in there. Yeah. Cool. So it's for Citroen C3 right now. Anyway, so yep, it's time to install the armrest. And here's the armrest. I've done some unboxing yesterday, so yeah. Alright, that's where we're gonna put it. Alright, looks like the first thing I'm gonna take off is this trim. Oh yeah. Now it's up. I think this is the time I can clean this up as well. Clean down. Have some coins in here. Take coins up. Oh yeah. It's in the Citroen inside. It's a Citroen. So really made for Citroen. Yeah, it looks good. Oh, we need a spanner. Okay. We need a spanner. Okay, we need a spanner. So we're gonna mark 4 holes, so it's gonna line up when we put the screws. Last one. Seven. So I have the socket 7. There's another one on the left side. Nope, easy. Easy. We're just gonna use W40. The W40 to clean this up. I'm gonna put you here so you guys can see it properly. It's time for me to use some of the rust. Alright, I got the ring spanner. So 13. That's the bolt that I'm taking off. 13. So, 13. So what's happening is there's we're gonna take this out, and I think this is the same socket. Yeah. So we're gonna take that out. So this armrest is really made for Citroens, because you have this bracket to hold the armrest. It's not like the one that you can buy from eBay for what, 20 pence, 20 pounds. That's really cheap and nasty. So yeah, I think you're only going to use it for a couple of months or a year, and then yeah, because this one you have the bracket. I think definitely it's going to line up. It is lined up. And the other one side, you're going to see the hole where we took the thing out, and now we need to line this up. Alright, both screws are in, I mean, not too tight. And the last one is this bolt. And spark. Where's the spanner? 13. So I'm drilling this. Yep. Okay. Okay. That's it. All right. Okay, good. That's it. Done it. That's what it looks like from the back. That's a rear view. So cool. Right. I think I need to put something in the circles. I got some scratches in there. So basically, when people sit in here, you know, the feet gonna go stay. So yeah, looks good. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that's what it looks like now. See? Yep, all good. All right. Yeah, baby, really comfortable now. Yeah. Can you move this? Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's the inside. I think I need to put some felt paper inside. So yeah, what's this for? Egg cutter. That's where you put the egg in. Well, this is not movable, as you can see. It's not. No. But it's really comfortable. Goodness, yeah. So, right, cool. Yeah. So if you're buying an armrest of eBay, get this one instead. Nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and hit the notification bell if I have new uploads. So all right, thank you. Bye.